Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a question on LRDI that appeared in CAT 2018 question paper. It was based on the concept of arrangements. Let's have a look at the question. So we have a total of 8 students, 4 female and 4 male. We have Adriana, Bandita, Chitra and Daisy. Amit, Barun, Chetan and Deb are 4 male students. Each of them studies in one of these 3 institutes, X, Y and Z. Each student majors in one of the subjects among marketing, operations, finance, and minors in a different one among the 3. 3 students are from X, 3 from Y, and the remaining 2 students, both female, are from Z. So we can comfortably say that the female students are from Z. Now, both the male students from Y minor in finance, while the female from Y majors in marketing. That means in Y we have 2 male students and 1 female student. Therefore, in X as well, we'll have 2 male students and 1 female student. Only when 1 male student majors in operations, while 3 female students minor in marketing. Okay, 1 female student and 2 male students major in finance. Adriana and Deb are from the same institute. Daisy and Amit are from the same institute. So Adriana and Deb could be from institute X or Y. Similarly, Daisy and Amit could also be from institute X or Y. Okay, Barun is from Y and majors in operations. Chetan is from X and majors in finance. Daisy minors in operations. Perfect. Now, we have a table in which we will be trying to represent the data. Okay. So we have institute X, we have institute Y, and we have institute Z. Now, we had 2 female students in X based on the data that is provided in point number 1. And from point number 2, we can say that both the male students from Y minor in finance. So again, male, male, and a female. So similarly, so that we are left with 1 male in X, another male in X, and 1 female in X. Okay, so point number 1, we are done with point number 1. Let's come down to point number 2. Both the male students from Y, minor in finance. So we'll write minors as subscript and majors at superscript. Finance, I have finance. While the female student from Y majors in operations. You can write operations here. Perfect. Only 1 student majors in operations, while 3 female students minor in marketing. From this, I'll not be able to do anything right now. Who is the male student whom we are talking about, or the female students we are talking about? 1 female and 2 male students major in finance. Now, based on the question, the students who are doing a minors in a particular subject would not do the majors in the same subject. Okay, so the 2 male students doing a majors in finance, since in Y we have 2 students who are doing minors in finance, so these 2 students, these 2 males in X, would be doing a majors here in finance. Okay, 1 female, who is the female student who is doing my major in finance, we do not know. Adriana and Deb are from the same institute. Daisy and Amit are also from the same institute. Okay, so among these could be Adriana or Deb, and Daisy and Amit as well. Same goes to here. Barun is from Y and majors in operations. So let's take Barun. Okay. Chetan is from X and majors in finance. So let's take this as Chetan. This would be there, Chetan, and this is Barun for us. Okay. So Daisy minors in operations. Now, when we say Daisy minors in operations, and Daisy and Amit are from the same institute. So Daisy cannot be here because the female over here does a majors in operations. So this has to be Daisy. So if this is Daisy, Daisy is doing a minors in operations. Okay, so this is Daisy here for us. So if this is Daisy, this happens to be Amit. If this is Amit, this happens to be Adriana and Deb. So this is Adriana. This, on the other hand, would be Deb. Okay. Some other information: 1 female and 2 male students major in finance. 1 female and 2 male students. So 1 female student, we do not know who she is, who she might be, while 3 female students minor in marketing. So here, since we have Daisy doing, this would be marketing. This also would be marketing. This also would go as marketing. And again, Chitra and Bandita. We had missed with Chitra and Bandita. So we can say this is Chitra and this is Bandita based on our data that we have. So this is Barun, this is Deb. Any other data that we are having? Okay, I think this should be sufficient for us to solve the questions that we have over here. Let's have a look at the question. Who are the students from Institute Z? From Institute Z, we'll have Chitra and Bandita based on the information that is provided to us. So we'll have option 4 coming into the equation. Let's have a look at the next question. Which student does Deb minor in? Now, Deb here is from Institute Y. Deb would minor in the field of finance. So that would be option 2. Which subject does Amit major in? Amit is, we have Amit in Institute X. Amit would major in finance. And if Chitra majors in finance, which subject does Bandita major in? Now, if we look at the data, only 1 female student majors in finance. So if we have Chitra majoring in finance, Bandita would be doing it in operations. So that would be option 3. So all you can see is if we are able to represent the data correctly, we'll be able to solve a lot of questions that come in CAT. Hope you had enjoyed watching it. If you like to see more such solutions coming your way, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.